Hello everyone, good morning, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to comment sticker GIF photo on TikTok. First, you'll have to go and open TikTok application on your phone. So here I have it. After opening it, you should now go to messages. So click on the inbox on the bottom right side, then go to any message. And now you can message stickers by clicking on this sticker icon on the right side. You can search for any sticker that you actually need. You can add it to favorite. And if you want even to add a GIF, here you have this GIF. For example, you can even search for more GIFs. I'll search for GIF, for example. And here I have some, like this one here, for example. And now if you want to send a photo, simply click on this photo icon on the bottom right side. So here you have it. I can send this photo, for example, click on send. And here I have the photo sent to the contact that I message. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.